And trust dominion mandate, seriously as a church. The dominion mandate. And not until say you dominion mandate, seriously. Na yama yankro for atiase Yabatra so you hear Musa. Say that Yama Bibia aye spiritual. Enti Abusafo Nyama Bebre or what? As I said, a Christopher, Yama Yamano, yet see any adults, and see a more Matias. Now, for example, in my village, there was a river there. The friend river coming. Almost and call brother, Bakubin so or Mufiada. All of that has been there. But with increased population, I had done so near the Adinina, we should be able to challenge some of these practices. Because as a Christianity in Africa, men can't say Uncle Pato Comro. But I never the brain so Yentia Emuni and me Mua. I say Moyamu the uncle, Yensia the uncle, Yenny himself near Manso, and fat in Puntu and Yadebe, Emma. So the dominion mandate, understanding it, going back to it is very, very important. Okay, yeah, you can up to Genesis chapter 1 to 11, and we look at the dominion mandate. We even look at the question of the fall. Did God change the dominion mandate after the fall? The answer is no. Because no water no can say chabre seed time and harvest time. So udia never channel in Chamuda. So if we go on thinking that everything is spiritual, others will really live a life of more comfort. And then we have European Union meeting our more year. The whole meeting is more Africa than but Africa until the meeting. Say go for Sahara so every trap Mediterranean. And the meeting say as more baby one country in Africa or something near BC. But into a chimo a pronounce said they will take you back there. So Emrasa say if say na ye share ya sitnemu NSN ebea you be free him. If we just continue and consider Ben and Africa, if me I can't share now say this dependency syndrome must stop. There is a passage in the Bible, we'll look at it this evening. I say Nyankopon kwa na ninyi abrabwa yetitimu sana. And then my emphasis will be on passages in the Bible which one it shows that Onya and yet and other passages and so encouraging to come out of our poverty. I want to examine scriptures which we wrongly interpret to make us comfortable in our poverty. Passages be wa ewo Bible mu a ye ka na ma wo ye se ehia wo a enye he eye, and it makes us comfortable. And it makes it appear, Debbie may call baby and maybe say, a sikafo, the rich, the poor, and the middle class. Almost one in Yako for Masempa. Maybe someone can say, the rich, the poor, and the middle class. One Yako for Masempa. Oh, yeah, then. Opomun yina asem. Me call baby papa, maybe say, and young for the Yame poor master because in Yawa and a mouth to be Yankopon ye. So we make it appear that God is more concerned about the poor because then we quote Bible passages to support that. We want to look at some of these things. Number one, scriptures on the undesirability of poverty. Scriptures on the undesirability of poverty. Proverbs number 1, Proverbs 22 verse 7. The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is servant to the lender. It's simple. The rich rule over the poor, and the borrower is servant to the lender. It's in the Bible. Proverbs 22 verse 7. And here, no, I did it. Why are what? Then I quiet to you, yes, you are the Adamo. There be another cast and they say, yes, and Rapa Mekayo, ye come a Busemo ascent, ye pisca, near the aye, one pack up a bama, aqua baby atna. Ye any take a decision, or Sisica mini beanty, a Busientia, young friend. Now, see, I'm from Mamma Canson. A yaba, ye pisca, near the aye, year on to tear. Obian himself, once himself, we need the way. We need Dama. 2 Kings chapter 4, verse 1 to 7. It's about Yani Ayan Kofoebi, a suffer no, and Elisha Copiero, and a suffer Naira with Jan a train. A catcher or so Elisha said, Mikron to know or suffer, or Sunyaku Pompeii. But Oja Kawa Tree. Now the Edena Canaba, or Simon Chase Cana, or a part, the money no, I'm a mark for young poor. So I'm a down. To your software. In this software, and yana, why dear bay. Well, you know what? You baby, now I know of some ministers, Sasana and yet, software, all cost of the na kwankwa ja so no je ni sika no ye de ko see efie man otherwise there be anyone no kwa akwatena on any family there was nowhere. Is that a good testimony for software to live? So why you nyame adwuma owie ye no onifie a okwa akwatena eti to be ara me ha me say look ye no say we are subtenant and now we are software ya talk car. I don't mean I'm a coy in America. Said, now, your talk car, we have flashing, meeting, flashing cars, and the idea is, oh, also a tico crowd to be to be now up with them. They are share who ye and I say, I share who ye. So far, while riding in a never talk a Ukra, a cruiser, Highlander, one enemy the other, fine. And yet, about one level of Coco Green, who ye pa, now Papa Trababy, and yet, and employee. No, woman, Yammy, Yama, the idea, and I said, one country and for said, as of the deal, and yet, South of away. What Jack Cowardly. And then you come amongst our people. A junior almost after there be a nice song. Me umini kejama busa fwe me ayamo me. Is that a good mentality? You are living life and you are telling the rest of the people, say, someone here, me wu, na me de kaya de be, ejam. What you wu na be hu a year there. There's a certain mentality That is why I'm saying if anybody will make Africa come out of the poverty, and we need to challenge our people. Mami adia wujana chire ya papa eja akawa chire enyefe. To suffer Elijah, D for Elisha, and Oba and Okoka. You see, most of the time we will preach on this passage, but we will preach about the miracle that Elisha did, and not the poverty that Osofo eja chire. This is our problem. Yebeka miracle no one, which is true. But we must know why the miracle was necessary. But for so for Nejeka, Amana Yere, Bible Suka Ewo, Proverbs chapter 13, verse 22. Or see, a righteous person leaves an inheritance for his children's children. When the papa announced what Chinini, and I would jack a dear a Japadia Mawanum. Ne mama ne nana no wo de wo ma ene wo yere kra o ma ye de ben yenya bibi na yedi anso ye de ben o yo sofo nti se ye ne a yentimi enhwe ne yesi yeyi a the same chapter 4 of 2 Kings, a very interesting story. Chapter 4 no, verse 1 to 7. It's about this widow. Oko 8, Ekwa, the Shunammite woman. Oska. And who say Elisha ba onam. Papa ma yemfe papa we ni fiesie bibi na onya de be. Onya bibi ni. Next time round, edan ba ko na da ho. Yemma onko na onko dem. Say ya sori na eyeyi a, yemse be de be. De be yeyi. De be di yi. And this is what you are not really encouraging anybody say on you know near the adenoma well and in the bay I have a jaw you know Martis any Adam so they and then you see that they will have definitely everybody has some needs. And this woman had a need. You know the story more than I do. Elisha man in Yerba. Even after that. Elisha catcher and said, a common baba into two coin. Mamma Bayan, you know, the Bakure Wim or Bompire man. Those things you are doing, but the issues about a Nippon and a citizen we hear, your friend come. But not messages here. A creative impression said, Unyesika, a debe, a de bonnet. And then some of the new Asofona Abanos, charismatic one or the other. And so it created a certain impression in being to say, no car we were my say, me dressing near the other. That is not what we are trying to portray to the world. Sometimes I tell people I'm preaching poverty alleviation. People are poor. And we should help them to come out of their poverty and not give them empty promises. Me dressing, me dear me car best and nine, me car where I say that is not right. We should demonstrate what? Modesty. But the real issue of confronting is what? Poverty. And this woman was able to provide for the needs of Prophet Elisha. If you go to chapter 8 here, you see the story there. Or he never say, clearly, God always pay them back. Let's go to Ecclesiastes chapter 9, verse 13 to 16. What is the story there? The sum of that story is this. The wise but poor are not respected in society. But the story there is this. Or say, Krobi wo and then Krofo Betri, Kronoson Saban. And there was a wise man in that city who put up the plans and the people were defeated. This wisdom I have also seen under the sun, and it seemed great to me. There was a little city with few men in it, and a great king came against it, besieged it, and built great snares around it. Now there was found in it a poor wise man, and he by his wisdom delivered the city. Yet no one remembered that same poor man. Then I said, wisdom is better than strength. Nevertheless, the poor man's wisdom is despised, and his words are not heard. That's what I hope you heard it. A wise man. So I tell myself, if I claim that I'm a professor, as a professor, I'm what is my wisdom? And who will respect me? If I'm a sufferer and I'm always teaching and praying and doing all those kinds of things to people, at the end of the day, maybe I claim because the wise, I have the Holy Spirit, I have full anointing, all those things. What are you talking to me about? Bible passage about who I am with the first time. Let me fulfill this passage. 1 Chronicles 29:28. Or see David, he died at a good old age, full of years, full of honor and full of riches. David, Joseph, Oduya, no Oscar, Abraham, Owuye, no Oscar. Yana me bisa mo me book no matro say Isaac odi 100 years. Ena ne ma no o kan se o momra na sa me na ni afura. Entina Jacob etimi e de be edada no. You know how many years the man lived before he died? He died at 180 years. So from 100 to 180. 80 years who cared for him? Dr. Fo will be a friend of pediatric, taking care of children. And Papa Afonso there, pediatric. Munyinia, no Afghanistan father. And now I say, oh, body, I didn't know now, and now yeah, no more, and more now. I say, my akara, more and is it more than when you near? The more expenses, Upo, we have to take care of you like we are taking care of a little child. And she said, well, you know, so you're so full, so you're dear, one building be a bit to me. I had after so I hear what over Papa near Brewa or Bravo a bed a bebasa. I saw a can ask and pass. I said, ye fat dear who said, and I'm son. I firmly believe that me Jesus Christ did ya. Obiama Junior, and my meeting me Bob Brabo, me Papa Brimukran, and I say, a yefe, ne shenya me anymore. So let's take these things very seriously. The wise but poor person is what? Is not respected. It's not respected. Obviously, level bia we go below Abraham. So we call retirement. Now when to me and to us Abraham so. Now once is saying level bia once you are working. If you leave. Retirement. Now, one to me, I had any wow car will be used. One to send them a year. Old age care, very, very important. And so, all these people took care of what God. We call Deuteronomy chapter 15, verse 4. I rather say, there ought not to be any poor among you, for the Lord will bless you in the land. There ought not. And I am a co-preacher, but no be besides me bar, memorable explain it. Messako Obio. Say, yes, to say, the poor you will always have among you. Now, say, was Sakran or Khan or San or Chira? I don't know, yet to say, you're very poor. But this passage, when you read it, God is saying, I'm sending you to the land, and the Nisa Onyenibia a woman tell. But a Kobase, Mumianum be or not say, near or more. Then what I'm telling you is, Mumo or Mobusian. Busiana Mobabo, and say, do sabbatical year, write it up and give them a new beginning. Why is God doing that? Because there ought not to be anyone who is poor amongst you. That is God's ideal for his children, and it should be the same ideal for all of us. There ought not to be a poor person amongst you. Therefore, that's why there will always be some poor amongst you. Those ones are going to take care of them. So for your credit union conference, this will be our team. There ought not to be any poor amongst you. Therefore, put up some schemes so that we'll be able to train one. So if the church is not doing anything about that, this is the Bible. This is the book that we are reading. And God's desire for his children is that there ought not to be any poor amongst you. If you plan that for the Old Testament church, what about the New Testament church? There ought not to be any poor among you. Therefore, loan to your brother without interest and give them a second chance. Verse 4. 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verse 11 to 12. I like this passage. Make it your ambition to lead a quiet life, to mind your own business, and to work with your hands, just as we told you, so that your daily life may win the respect of outsiders, and so that you will not be dependent on anybody. The church in Thessalonica was a church that was behaving like African Christians. They always said, the Lord is coming. The Lord is coming. Now they didn't approach Rokomao. When saw him, no said, so be one, and then he gave them this instruction. May catch them so be and so that he can provide for the daily necessities of life. So that you will not be there dependent on others, so that you win the respect of outsiders. Tisa whatever if you are Timono, ultimately the best school fees. Debia ultimate money ira kwa ngoma. Debia ultimate center kwa ni ade ade na ekoso wo mo a. Na wo no ono o ma dance e pa na se ogu Kristo animu ase. Otifie. When you ofie ono nkwa asere. But they are paying their children's school fees. Omo make here the way omo address is decent. Yes, I said omo yen yama born in ade. They are living their life. No one for a banana, because our elder now penny was ceremony. Ultimately, the school fees. Say free SHS ya ma. Can go for and kawamu mabe enya the enko school so omo kwa sorry. So what are we really telling as people that we have a testimony? When the Bible is saying, so that you will not be dependent on anybody. One of the problems we have in Ghana is what? Dependency syndrome. Dependency syndrome. So who will promo? Our people are not tired of saying medase. There be when you are going to say obey you, Abua, Afro no more. 7 years be a Yabusia for every program we want to turn to our prophet to come and help us. How are we as a church taking that message and propagating it? Say Ghana beyond 8, Ghana and what? Ghana no mienu. And to say dependent on anybody. That is Ghana. How can he talk about Ghana beyond this when the people have a dependency syndrome that every little thing somebody wants somebody to bring it to them?